Johnny, why don't you tell us a little bit about the courses that are in those 2 semesters? What are the kinds of classes that a student might be expected to take?
Well, in the first 2 semesters, they're taking 4 classes using the manual machines. They're taking 4 using the CNC machines, and they're taking 1 drafting class, 1 CAD CAM class. There's no general education in the first 2 semesters. I think there's 1 gen ed class in the 3rd semester if they do the degree program. We've tried to front load all the technical coursework and then backload the general education.
So if a student's interested in really kind of getting his hands on those machines and learning those technical skills, they'll start learning it right from the beginning.
Yes, I tell my students that we start running machines on day 2. Day
That's
1
incredible.
is about safety. Day 2 is when we start running machines.
Now, Johnny, I've got another question for you. What if I don't have any mechanical skills? What if I've never been around a machine like a mill or a lathe or a big 5-axis CNC machine? How much do I have to know before I come to the program?
You do not have to know any. I have probably 95% of my students have never operated a lathe or a mill.
Wow.
I've had several students have transferred over out of general education programs, and then a lot right out of high school. Most of them have never operated a piece of equipment. So that's not an issue.
So they can start without knowing anything about precision machining, and in as little as 2 semesters be employable.
Yes.
Wow. All of that with a high quality, affordable, supportive education at a great place like Virginia Highlands Community College.